Oh yeah, yeah, no, and you've definitely handled way more expensive cars for sure.
Oh yeah, yeah. They all count, man. They all matter, and I love them all.
Very, love it. I love it,
anyway,
man.
that's kind of the catch up. Absolutely for sure. Don't be shy about reaching out to me on anything. I'll update the bill of sale in the morning with the corrected address and resend it on an updated DocuSign. So thanks for catching that.
Yeah, no, I appreciate that, Richard. Okay.
And
thanks,
then probably
man.
the other thing I'd ask is if you wouldn't mind taking your ads down.
Oh, for sure. I'll just put the sold sign. Yeah, we'll just set done deal right now and do a verbal handshake.
Well, yeah, exactly. It's a virtual handshake. Exactly.
Okay, appreciate it. Okay, awesome.
Terrific.
Yeah, I'll
so
catch you later, and I'll just keep you posted if anything. So.
Excellent. Sounds good.
Okay, drive safe.
I sure will. You too.
Okay, see ya.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. All right. Well, I think the Supra is sold to Canada One Auto Group. These guys, I'll show you their website, man. Oh my god. Some of the things these guys are selling right now, man. Why is this at 1.5 mil? Oh, it's a Ford GT, my bad. They got GT2s, they got Lambos, they got Wraiths. Come on, guys. McLarens, these guys know what they're doing. So I just got off the phone with my friend Richard, and he bid on my Supra, past my reserve price, so I'm happy. They're gonna be happy too, because they're probably gonna make a good profit off this thing. The plan is, long story short, for the next few years I'm gonna be working on my next brand, Bad Bada, and these Supra play funds are gonna go straight into growing the business. You guys will see, just you wait.
Yeah, they do. They're so more aggressive.
What's
oh shit,
good,
there's a
bro?
camera?
Yo.
What the fuck? I haven't seen a camera in so long.
No kidding, right?
Holy
Who's this
fucking
guy?
Shit.
What is this one?
It's a car.
Bros. Alright, we hitting up Euro Cars and Coffee after they changed the location because of what happened last time.
Yo, they've been blue balling us with the coffee and shit.
Yeah, it's like it's in the middle of a parking lot, bro. Yeah, there is no coffee.
Cars and water bottles, man.
Bring your own bottles. Yeah, it's gotta be in scheming, huh?
I don't know how to act.
I think it started like 30 minutes ago, but I hope there's freaking coffee there, man. That's what I'm going for. So I think it's inside there.
Looks like it. Hey, there's parking right there, nice.
I mean, I'll try to turn around.
Do a drift.
They can park there too.
Yeah? You park there. Yeah, I will park there.
Should I go in there?
No.
Yo, crazy cars, what the fuck? What are we doing here?
I think we're in the wrong meet.
There's actually pretty crazy ass cars here. Okay. Liberty Walk R35, that's cool. Damn. Believe it or not, that orange lava, not that one in particular, but it's because me and Eddie went to test drive the Lava Orange FRS that got me started on this whole car adventure in the first place. So this color will always have a special place in my heart. Well friends, today's the last day you're going to be seeing the Supra. Alright friends, this is probably going to be the last time you'll see this thing on this channel, but not the last time you'll see something similar. It was a good run, but if I'm gonna be honest with you, I personally feel like I moved way too quick on the Supra. Like I built it to the standard that I've kind of always wanted a Supra. And it just happened a little too quick. Wide-bodied, like nothing left untouched, right? I did all the bolt-ons I could. Expensive ass wheels, everything on the exterior, including like the carbon fiber pieces, I individually sought out. This is definitely a fully built Supra. And it's gonna be sad to see it go. Now for a little transparency. The reason I'm selling the Supra is it really came down to a game of maintenance. I suppose that is the car game. But having a fully built Supra meant any other part I'd like to upgrade or purchase would cost me thousands. So parts and expense is definitely one. And really, after the rebrand, I'm just reprioritizing my life, purging one project after another. I'm gonna be honest, the money would really come in handy for a lot of other things. Personal, cooler projects, and future builds. I imagine this car to be the coolest demo vehicle in my possession. Under the booth at all of our trade events, where I'd be one of the first to do mods on the 2020 Toyota Supra, while it was actually still fairly fresh. It was a YouTuber fallacy to do that kind of thing. Yeah, appreciate the help again.
Oh, not
Thank
a
you so
problem.
much.
I wish I had a card to give you, but I
Yeah.
don't have any cards with me.
You can give me your contact info because we deal with cars like this all the time and bring them from car events from province to province. It would be awesome to find someone with a trailer like this that's good with low cars. So
Yeah,
maybe I'll get your contact after or something.
Yeah, if you...
That is close. Look at that, even in the rear there. You know your trailers. You know, we're the second street hunter in all of Canada, and I was actually able to collaborate with some of my favorite brands, including Avantgarde, with a custom 3-piece gold bullion wheels. Got to work with Battle Arrow again. Swear, this is exactly what I had intended for it to be. But as business changes and ideas are redirected, I find myself asking, is it worth having a completely built car that I can't even drive all the time, especially being in a winter country? Also, taking a step away from the car events means I have no use for another demo car. I almost gave them my plate. Oh man, so sad. It's all good, bros. You know what I always like to say? It was fun while it lasted, and it's always about the journey. Actually, this is what everyone says. It's always about the journey. But, on to bigger and better.
Yeah, I took a Porsche Carrera,
Ooh.
a Turbo S out there,
Yeah.
and brought back a Cadillac Escalade.
Nice.
Big.
Yeah. Fit
Like-
in this, the
like-
SUVs, right?
Yeah, my
Yeah.
trailer was full.
Nice. Wait, don't tell me you use this thing.
Huh?
You use this thing?
Yeah. I have 3 trailers and they're all like this.
All ATC brand or?
All ATC, all with the big door on the side. If you're gonna haul nice cars, you gotta have a nice trailer.
For sure. It's almost like its own mobile garage, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The one trailer,
TC.
like it's a show trailer.
I've seen those, yeah.
So it has more, has a wide strip of stainless steel down the side, you know,
Yes.
about this high. The inside has way more LED lights.
She's fast, but I'd rather have fun in my FRS. Less stress, less worry, and much cheaper on insurance. Again, won't be the last time you see a Supra on this channel, I guarantee that. But let's rebuild our cartillery first in respects to the new brand, starting with a Subi. Perfect. Again, Jerry, thank you for everything. If there's anything missing, I guess they'll call me.
Yeah.
But yeah, appreciate the smooth.
And you got your license plates, you got all your personal stuff out of the car.
Yeah.
Well, if they find something, they'll send it back.
Exactly.
They're pretty good. I haul a lot of cars for them.
Do you really? Yeah, Sherwood Motors. I saw their online, their floor and like all of the cars that they handle is like top.
Really
So
nice.
yeah. So I'm pretty sure they know what they're doing. So
I've been hauling for them for 2.5 years. What happened?
okay, yeah.
The guy that used to haul for them, he didn't have a ramp like that, didn't have a side door, and he was damaging.
Yeah.
One day they said, "Get out of here. We
Yeah.
don't want you anymore." I don't know how they found me, through another dealer, because
Is that
I've been
right?
doing this for 25 years.
Wow.
And they called me and they liked the trailer, so
Pleasing guy to work with. So appreciate
Okay.
that, Jerry. Thank you. Okay, and
See
drive
ya.
safe. Yeah.
I can get out this way, right?
Yeah, it's basically a loop. It'll take you back to this road. But yeah, that way you don't have to do all the backing up and
Yeah.
stuff. So yeah, Jerry, safe
Hey,
travels, brother.
See you again.
Yeah, I got your contact. So if
Yeah.
anything, man.
And if you ever lose the contact, just phone Sherwood.
That's right. Okay, yeah. Cool.
You know.
Yeah, they probably have you
Sorry
on.
I didn't have a card. Oh well.
That's okay. Okay.
Hey,
Thanks
See
again,
ya.
Jerry. Yeah, appreciate it. What a nice guy. Say goodbye one more times for the videos. All right.
Want a light on?
Can you actually from there? That'd be cool. Yeah. Imagine having one of these trailers.
See, in the show trailer,
Yeah.
like it has 2 rows of LED lights on the roof. Then opposite each wheel, there's an LED light about this high on the wall,
Oh,
about
that's
this long, and it
genius.
shines down on the wheel.
Yeah.
I won't have a trailer unless it's got the big side door.
That's cool. Awesome, Jerry. Thanks for showing me that, man. We Gucci.